SCULPT Silicone Cupping Set is an easy-to-follow at-home solution that helps promote skin firmness and tone, define a waistline, smooth the look of cellulite, stretch marks and scars. Supreme Quality Lure Essentials Cupping Kit is masterfully made with transparent silicone free of fillers, plastic and PVC. Safe for your skin and the environment. Lure Essentials Cupping Set may be used on cellulite cupping for thighs and butt, belly bloat, love handles, digestive health and more. Cupping massage for cellulite reduction helps release fascia, support blood and lymph flow and drain excess fluid for a smoother, healthier-looking skin. SCULPT Cupping Set includes silicone edge cup size 2.5, large Zen cup size 2 and small Zen cup, size 1.5. You may use a small cellulite cup on arms, legs and stomach, a medium cupping cup on back and thighs and a large suction cup on bum and hips. For best product and customer experience, be sure to buy the original SCULPT Cellulite Cupping Cups from Lure and enjoy extended warranty and a complimentary copy of our ebook, Practical Guide to Cupping. Women are going crazy over the results from this body shaping system. Hands down the most effective body shaping system Victoria. I've tried many cellulite solutions over the years. I can honestly say that regular thigh massage with Lure SCULPT cups and massage oil is the only thing I've ever actually seen results with. It does take time and diligence, but I've seen improvement in only 6 weeks. On top of that, the massaged areas are softer and smoother than before. Angie. Ready for your before-after? Start your cupping therapy today and join over 500,000 happy customers. Cup away stubborn cellulite, tighten saggy skin, improve the look of stretch marks and more. For faster results, combine body cupping with Lure Essentials Bare Anti-Cellulite Cupping Massage Oil, dry brushing, hot cream and a Cellulite body firming cream. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use, easy to clean, very good quality. Love Lure Essentials Cupping Sets, a perfect addition to my collection. Use it every other day for a massage of different parts of my body. Thank you, Lure Essentials.